Holly!
Hi!
What are we doing?
Soren!
Oh yeah, this is Holly, everyone. Everyone say hi, Holly, in the comments. You have to say hi back.
Hi.
Hi. What are we doing? We're riding Soren?
Yes.
You used to work at Soren, right?
I did.
Wow. How was it?
Awesome.
Awesome.
B2 is the ideal place to sit.
Yes, B2. Hey, look who we found.
Hi! Can I help you?
You're supposed to say who you are.
I am.
Yeah.
I'm Rachel.
Who you are.
From?
Disney is our world. You're watching the Disney Gremlins. Do draw Mickey Mouse.
No. No, I don't think I will.
Hey, what's up, Kremlin Nation? We are
Yes.
in front of the Land Pavilion.
We are, as you can see by the
featuring
land
Soren
sign.
at Epcot. So as y'all saw, we rode Living with the Land. We rode Soren.
It was lit.
Shout out to Holly for the hookup.
Hey.
Howdy.
Hey.
Hello, Governor. Howdy, howdy, howdy.
So we went through the Land Pavilion pretty early. Got everything done in there.
Yep.
Rumors that it was leaving are false.
Yes.
It's here to stay.
A lot of false rumors recently.
There's also rumors that a lot of the innovation buildings and like a
I
lot of
think
the buildings up
that's probably
front,
gonna be true.
that might be true.
So come enjoy innovations and Club Cool and Starbucks.
Yeah.
But we don't know when we can film on Soren and when we can't.
Yeah.
So we did it today, but click that link. We'll have a video somewhere for you to watch. And now I think we have Spaceship Earth.
We'll take you some footage on the way there, some footage on. You know how we do. Just going through the day.
Come along the way.
Along the way.
The future, or should I say, your future. And now I mean your future is just about neighborhood. Here in the future, your home in the country will be a smart home that automatically knows what you want, almost as soon as you do. Your closet will be like a personal stylist, picking outfits based on your preferences and what's on your calendar for the day. Now that's a smart look. To help you start your day. The internet will literally be at your fingertips because your home's information network can bring you your daily news almost anywhere. And since you don't enjoy cooking, your kitchen becomes fully equipped with robotic tech. Your smart home will know when it's time for you to leave, and it'll know what you need to take with you. Sometimes even before you do. Of course, your smart home is already set for your automated car, which takes you where you want to go, while you relax and enjoy the beautiful view of the future. The end. Or should I say the beginning of your future.
You're brave.
It's gross.
That's the worst one.
No, now I don't want to try it.
You have to try it.
Try it for the vlog.
You have to. It's good.
It said, oh. Oh, it tastes like medicine. What do I do with it?
Drink it.
I'm not drinking all of it.
there.
Alright, so I'm like,
Sorry.
what's up, guys? Kremlin Nation. We're gonna end this video right here. We had a great day. The Land Pavilion, amazing.
Yes.
Spaceship Earth, amazing. Sasha, what did you think of Spaceship Earth?
It was good.
What about Soren? It was.
Oh, I
good.
liked Soren, yeah.
Okay, she really liked Soren.
Yeah.
So, note to self, when she says good, it means she doesn't really like it all that much. And then if it's really good, she'll smile and say something else.
Like the Winnie the Pooh stuffed animal. We're good.
Yeah.
It's wide.
Alright. Rachel, do you have a joke to end the vlog on?
Heck, it's the 4th of July. Why are there no knock-knock jokes about America?
Why?
Because freedom rings.
How you doing, team? This is Captain America at Disneyland.
I'm Callie. I'm Rachel.
Yo, this is Gino Segas from Pair of Kings. You might know me as Mason McCool.
Hi, I'm the DTM.
Hi, this is Kelly, the Disney Traveler, and you just watched the Disney Kremlins.
Thanks for watching the Disney Kremlins.
To my boys Chase and Cody, Disney Kremlins. And don't forget to always represent.